Hey, so what's going on? I'm making a late afternoon run. I've been busy all morning. I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all feeling a little deprived because I ain't come on earlier to say hello or that I'm out getting my day started. But actually, my day started pretty early today. You see, it's been nothing but phone calls and emails and preparing documents and sending documents back, and it's just a lot. I've taken on a new assignment that's gonna bring me some more coins. Woo, who can't use that, you know so yeah, I'm just out and about now. I really didn't get a moment to stop and fix my dinner and stuff, so I even missed lunch. Okay, but that's okay. I guess it's just part of staying slim, if you could call it that. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just going out here. Let me slow down a little bit, trying to get to this gate. Yeah, so basically I'm just making a run to the supermarket, and then I'm gonna come back. I may just I might go live for a few minutes, either later on tonight or first thing in the morning. Let's see. Hope y'all been watching my Instagram. I did a few short videos that I put over there on my Instagram page. It's Vanterpool Rochelle on Instagram. Go over there and take a look. I have some new masks. I have some jewelry. Yeah, go ahead and take a look. It's not just all about me just, coming on here and talking all day, because I have a couple of things, other things that I do besides, just, chit-chatting on YouTube. There's a Notary. There's my Etsy store. I have another store that I'm working on also, but that's still in the workings. And then I have a new merch for that's coming out for creators to thank their members. Some people do that monthly. They give away a little something for their members, a little thank you. So I have those I'm still working on. I haven't forgotten about it. And yeah, so those will be coming out shortly, and then everything will be good. Looks like a water main up here may have... Is it broke? Oh no, it's not a water main. I guess they're cleaning their sidewalk with the pressure cleaner in it. Yeah, okay. City of Coconut Creek. Well, I guess that explains why it's always clean over here. What can I say? Yep. So, yeah, so look out for the new merchandise. Remember that I can personalize your giveaways for you, and I do have a reference. And yeah, so just let me know if you're interested in something like that. If you have a special request, I'm happy to work with you. And of course, we can get together on the terms and so forth, and then work it out from there. But yeah, of course I'm watching the traffic, because some people don't stop at the stop sign. They just come to a roll and keep it going. They don't stop because the stop sign's not for them, I guess. But I know I have to stop, so I stop. I don't have time to be getting in trouble for other people's stuff. Anyway, I'm here at good old Publix. What's this lady get out the street? She's standing in the street talking on the phone. People, go ahead, cross the street. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna leave it here, guys. And I may rejoin this video shortly, so hang in there. Later.